MIT's latest study destroys the 40 billion AI myth, but industry veterans abroad revealed this 30 lakh career secret. 95% of companies see zero AI returns. Yet, this hidden goldmine changes everything. While thousands fight for unstable AI gigs that don't exist, the smart money is quietly flowing elsewhere. AI experts are getting laid off, while ERP professionals earn 50 to 30 lakhs in India and 135,000 globally, with zero coding required. The contrast is staggering. Here is what Silicon Valley veterans in Germany, London, and Dubai revealed. Companies are desperately hunting for SAP SD professionals. My no-code weekend curriculum comes with 100% job placement assistance plus on-the-job mentoring. This is not just training, it's your insider access to the most stable IT goldmine. SAP SD controls 77% of global transactions. Fortune 500s run on this, not on flashy AI demos. With SAP ECC deadline hitting 2027, job demand is exploding while AI hype crashes. Better salaries, high demand, complete job support. Everything AI promised but never delivered. No coding, no competition, no uncertainty as well. Weekend live classes fit your schedule. 100% placement support plus ongoing career mentoring. While others gamble on AI miracles, you are joining the select few who understand where real opportunity lies. The window is closing fast. Only few seats left and companies are calling daily for trained professionals. Don't let this slip away while others chase AI fantasies. Your recession-proof, high-paying future starts right now. Secure your spot before it's gone forever.